Hi, I'm Johnny and today we're talking about the totally wicked Tornado GTL. Now this is a kit which really does have everything a vaper needs in a robust, simple to use and cost effective format. From the push fit atomizers and sliding top fill to the adjustable power and USB-C charging, the Tornado GTL looks set to be the go-to e-cig for all types of vapers for years to come. Now as you can see, the Tornado GTL is a pen style device which maintains a sleek design which is compact enough to carry in your pocket. And there are 4 colour options which are black, blue, pink and silver. And when it comes to the technology, performance and features, this is where the Tornado GTL really shines. Everything has been carefully crafted to make the user experience as simple as possible, but with all the latest features to allow you to tailor your vaping experience to your personal needs. Now let's start with the battery. It has a 1500 mAh capacity, which should last most vapers a full day between charges. Then when you do need to recharge, you can do so using the USB-C cable which is provided. The colour of the LED behind the button will illuminate when you activate the device and indicates the kit's remaining battery life. So it's green for 60%, blue for 20 to 59% and red for below 20%. And there are 3 power levels on the Tornado GTL, low, medium and high. They can be selected easily by clicking the power button 3 times and are again indicated by the LED colour behind the power button, but this time it will illuminate when you cycle through each power level. Now let's move on to the tank, where the high performance, simplicity and reliability continues. So the tank is a pod style cartridge which fits into the battery with a strong magnetic connection. It features sliding top fill, so refilling on the go is a breeze. Changing atomizers is also just as simple because the GTL atomizer heads use a push fit connection. The kit comes complete with 2 GTL 1.2 ohm atomizer heads which provide a strong, clean flavour and have a really good lifespan. Now if you prefer to vape at higher powers, there are numerous other resistances available in the GTL atomizer range which are compatible with the Tornado GTL. The airflow on the GTL tank has pinpoint precision and is easily adjusted, adding further versatility to this e-cig. So that's all you need to know about the Tornado GTL, the trusty pen style e-cig which has all the key features to make it a reliable, user-friendly and high performance e-cigarette.